Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. I just added a brand new position in my small account challenge portfolio, and I'm going to share that with you guys today, as well as give you guys a complete update on how much this portfolio is paying me and all the stuff behind the scenes of the portfolio. So let's get into that today. I'm going to record the screen on the phone, share the portfolio with you, and then I'll share some notes and then share the spreadsheet at the end. So let's dive in and record the screen. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. This portfolio is in Weebull. I'll refresh it for you guys. Okay, so right now we're at 58.81 in account value, and we have $1.94 in cash. Now I have 4 positions right now, and I'm looking to get rid of one of these, and I'll share that with you guys in just a moment. But right now, I just opened a brand new position in AMDW. This one, 6 shares only. At 52.63. Just opened this in the morning, well, last night in the morning for you guys. Opened this when the market was first open and it was red, and I went ahead and opened it. I've been kind of eyeing this, and it looks like it's at a decent buying time, or it was when I opened it. It's kind of moving up now, which is good. Next, I have HOOW. I added a couple of shares to this one as well. I have 23 shares of this one at 62.72. And then next, I have PLTW, 25 shares at 41.64. And then lastly, I have WPay, which is the one I'm looking to get rid of. WPay is 70 shares at 52.31. So that's what I have in the portfolio. Really quick, I'll share some notes with you guys on this portfolio, because I keep like a note thing that I put into my Discord community. So here's for December 2025. Like I said, this portfolio, like the first goal is to just generate $200 a month to cover my rent here in Asia, because I pay $200 to live here in this house. That's the first goal, but the overall goal is to grow to $1,000 per month in distributions. And like I said, this is just a fun account, right? This isn't my portfolio that I live out of, but I would like it to be a nice portion of income that I could actually use to possibly live off of if I wanted to. So far, 58.81 is the value. This is of this morning, 12.12. The positions I have, here's the 4 positions: WPay, 70 shares, HOOW, 23. PLTW 25, AMDW 6. There's my cost averages there. I just showed you in the portfolio, the $1.94 in cash. And then here's the dividends I receive: $11, $8, 24, 21, 13, and 37. Which so far, let me move this a little closer here. It's a total of $115.60 so far for the month. We still have more payments coming, so we're definitely going to hit the $200. I believe shouldn't be a problem. Some notes on this portfolio: I'm considering to cut WPay once I get a positive total return, or at least flat on it. I added HOOW this week on the big red day. Now, I didn't add all the shares. I just added a few shares to it. I did open a new position in AMDW this week. And then the final note, like I said, my play portfolio, this isn't the portfolio that funds my life here, right? So now that you know that, let's get into the spreadsheet and cover the performance of this and see what the performance actually looks like. So let me record the screen on my computer where my spreadsheet is at and share it with you guys. New screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So here we are. Here's the positions: HOOW. And this isn't right. Oh, I forgot to put this in. 23 shares. There's 23 shares. And it's 62.72. See, this is why I double up my notes so I don't make any mistakes. 62.72. All right. So there we go. There's HOOW. We have WPay, PLTW, and AMDW. This 6 shares. I don't know why there's only 4 there. 6 shares at 52.63. I just shared that with you guys as well. Okay. So now that we have all the positions in order there, like they're supposed to be, let's go check out the performance, which is what we really want to see. So the performance here at the top, HOOW, you can see we're negative, It's negative 5%, but this can move a lot in one day because it was positive 5% and it went down like 10% just yesterday. So this can easily turn around and go back up though. So it's okay. WPay, this is the one I'm looking to cut. It is also negative 4.79%, almost 5%, but this one doesn't move as fast and it gets, really like dragged through the mud with some not very good names in it. So we're going to get rid of this. But we're going to get positive first. Hopefully by the end of the year, we can get rid of this. POTW, we're up 6.28. And AMDW, which is kind of irrelevant. It's a brand new position that I just opened, but it is 4.26%. So not bad. And then lastly, the dividend log, so you guys can see the payments here. So 32 from HOW so far. We're getting more. 61 from WPay, 21 from POTW, and AMDW is brand new, so I won't get this money until Tuesday. So that's what we have there. Like I said, that's the total of 115 so far, but we've got more coming. So actually, we can see how many more we got coming. We're getting paid on Tuesday, so we're going to get 1, 2, 3 more payments. Well, more than 3. 3 more weeks of payments there. So we've got, what do we have in here again? I forgot. Let's see, 3, 6, 9. And then we have a Wednesday one also. 10, 11, 12. We're going to get 12 more payments this month. So we got a lot of payments coming. So yeah, we're going to make well over $200. It'd be nice to get this 400 again. But we'll see. This is just a work in progress. So anyway, I just want to share that with you guys, let you guys know, open a new position, give you guys a quick little weekly recap of the small account challenge portfolio. Come join us in the Discord. I'll put the link below, and look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Tomorrow, I'll try to make a video of one of my larger accounts and share that with you guys. And I also have a Roth IRA channel where I share my Roth IRA, how I invest for retirement. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link to that channel down below. You can check that out too if you want. A video there every week. See you later.